YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, which I think you will, add it to your cart now and check out. They'll ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. This month is moving on fast, guys. It's almost summertime. We're in springtime now. A lot of people are vlogging. This is a good one to get. This is a KAIESS. KAIESS. I think I butchered that name, but there it is. LED key light. This thing is sweet. I unboxed it and messed around for a little bit. Really impressed so far. You can hook it up to your power bank or to a USB phone adapter or just a USB thing on your computer, laptop, desktop. We know how these things work. We'll test it out, show you guys everything you need to know. And it comes with a phone clamp for your vlogging, your twitching, TikToking, Instagramming, Facebooking, Metaverse, you name it, this thing does it all. Easy to put together. This comes separate. You just got to put the this little rod right here, right through this bottom part, screw it in. So it's really easy. These clamps remove and you can have it just like that, which I think I'm going to keep it off, but here's the clamps. See, it clamps on like that. All you got to do is pop it out. There's like 3 different levels or 4 different levels, and you just got to line it up. Oops. Like so. Open it up a little bit and just put it through and then lock it in. And you can adjust it the way you want it, whatever looks good for you guys. And here is the top, what it looks like. LED key light. This thing is really bright though, so definitely happy with this one. I'll be using this in my videos from here on out. Get the extra lighting in and other projects I have to do. Got my phone just in case. A little dirty, but sorry. This is like a backup phone just in case something happens to my main phones, but hopefully, yeah, so you could pull these, stretch them so it can fit your phone, hopefully. See? And you can have it like this, whatever, which way you want it. Portrait or landscape. So you can have it shooting like this, or you can watch a movie or something, play some games, which is pretty cool. Or you could go and in case you're doing some Skype, talking, Zoom conferencing and whatnot, you could use it like that. So we'll take this off right now for the video because we already showed it. And like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to be using that one, but we might. You never know. And now we're going to turn this sucker on and we'll try it with the power bank first. I think it should have enough power to power it. So I'll take the power bank. Like I said, you could use any kind of USB type you have. See, and yep, that works. Powers. Oh, that's bright. I told you guys, it's really bright. And there's all the way up, all the way up, all the way down, all the way up. I'll turn the lights off in a second. You can switch the mode. Oops, that's power. Here's the mode button right here. Yellow or orange light. Super bright though. All the way down, all the way up. Alright, let me turn off the lights. But yeah, nice LED brightness. Like I said, guys, you will be very satisfied with this purchase once you get it. Simple, it's lightweight, easy to carry along. Especially all you travel vloggers out there that go to hotel, vlogging. This would be a good one to get. for food reviews and whatnot. See, there we go. Or you could just use it as an extra lamp. There's a white reading lamp or tracing for your artwork. It's really cool though. Or even photo for like your toy vlogs, your toy photography, pretty much anything that needs an extra light around. So, like I said, click the link down below. Get them now before they sell out. And that's about it. We showed everything. Super cool, super lightweight, easy to put together, easy to take down, and easy to travel with. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.